How to download YouTube videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can download YouTube videos, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to basically download YouTube videos, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you can just make sure to launch the YouTube application here. And once you launch the YouTube app, let's say that there is a certain video that you would like to download, you can easily download it by just tapping the download button that you can find here. Now if you have got YouTube Premium, things are even more easy because you can almost download all the videos that are not available for free users. But as long as it is not a song, because songs have copyright issues and so on, you can always download it by just tapping the download option. And to locate your current downloads, you can come to your profile page and then just go to this downloads option, and then you will be able to see a list of videos that you might have downloaded. This way you can go ahead and then basically download videos on YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.